What's happening YouTube? True boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Ecoflow River 2. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my match below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so you can beat the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the Ecoflow River 2 can do. Here we go. Basically, this is a portable power station if you are going camping. For those of you who want enough power for your little appliances on your RV, or maybe you're camping via site that is off-grid, this is the one for you. It also comes with a solar panel, which we're gonna show you later on. Let's open this up. Now, Ecoflow is a big company that has a lot of portable power stations, so go ahead and check them out. I'll link them down below. And also, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Now, the packaging is really nice. As you can see here, comes with the instruction manual, the River 2. It also comes with the charging cords right there, and that's it. It also comes with two different chargers, one for AC and one for DC if you are charging via your car. So here is the 160 watt solar panel by Ecoflow. We're gonna open this up today and see how well it does. So here it is. It comes with a couple of carabiners here. It also has a nice case to keep the solar panel clean. And when you open it up, it has a zipper and it opens wide up. It comes with two cables like so. And when you open it up, as you could see, it has quite a bit of panels that just opens wide. Very portable. Bring it anywhere with you. The Ecoflow River 2 is the perfect power supply for the next off-grid adventure, but don't let the size fool you. The Ecoflow River series offers more than enough energy to keep your personal devices charged and small appliances running. You can recharge with the standard AC wall outlet or the car adapter, or add solar panels for clean, renewable energy anywhere. Going away for a weekend and going off-grid doesn't mean you giving up the comforts of being at home. Couple of plugs right there, one with the ground and one with just the basic one. There's the main switch right there as well, USB-C slot and two USB-A slots. Let's turn this on. There it is. It would also show you what the inputs are right here, which is really nice. And then there's the DC on and off as well, if you want to use the DC part of it right there. The Ecoflow has ultra fast charging from 0 to 100% in only 60 minutes. It's 5 times faster and 38% more rapid than the industry norm. It is also safe and reliable for 10 years of use. With over 3,000 plus batteries, 100% cycles, you can use River 2 almost every day for pretty much 10 years. LFP battery chemistry doesn't just offer long life, it's more reliable as well. It's also efficient and safe even in high temperatures. River 2 has one of the longest warranties in the industry, so it is also warranted for the next 5 years. It also has no charging limits. With 4 versatile charging options, you can pretty much charge the River 2 anywhere you want. Charge using an AC outlet for ultra-fast 1-hour charging, charge on the go with the car charger, or go off-grid or go green with the solar panel charging. River 2 also has USB-C. It can also run up to 99% of your consumer electronics. It has an output of 300 watts. The River 2 has most of the essentials covered. But why not take power to another level with the X Boost mode? You can also turn it on to power appliances with an output up to 600 watts, including a desktop computer or a blender. It's super light as well. It is only 7.7 pounds and it's really easy to carry. It also has an essential home backup with 30 millisecond switch over mode. Prepare your appliances for unexpected outage with a fast 30 millisecond switch over speed. The River 2 keeps your must-have power appliances running. And the best part is you can use the Ecoflow app to control and monitor the River 2 from the convenience of your phone. Connect it using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to use nearby or remotely. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Ecoflow River 2. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I definitely recommend this for people who loves going camping, and also if you are going off grid, this is one for you, so that you could still manage to use appliances that is DC powered and also AC powered, as you can see here, up to 484 watts. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Ecoflow also has many more portable power stations, so go ahead and check them out. They have a lot going on in their site. If you want a bigger piece or a more powerful power station, you can do that as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.